Hello everyone, Namaskar. So in today's video, I want to talk about some critical things because PSIR is one of the most popular optionals for civil services exam, and it is an optional which, if 14,000 people are giving mains, 2,500 people are giving with PSIR. But there are some core problems. Core problem number one is when people look at PSIR as an optional, so they tend to go into extremes. एक extreme है कि भी you become a scholar. And अब आप चाय की टपरी पे भी you're talking PSIR, anywhere that you go, any conversation that you're doing is coming up with PSIR. The other extreme end of this is too shallow. कि भाई these are people who think that I will just do the bare minimum basics कि I'll take some coaching institute का notes and then that is all that I require in order to clear PSIR. That is not the case. दूसरी एक बड़ी प्रॉब्लम आती है यहाँ पे that a lot of the people that are teaching this course कि भाई optional is any which way you require a honors degree level of understanding, but the people that are teaching don't have any academic background in this subject. They might have exam experience over here, but that is the problem. If everybody is teaching from just exam experience, so what is happening कि भाई चार पांच इंस्टीट्यूट के नोट्स उन्होंने इकट्ठे करके एंड उसका डिस्टिलेशन बना दिया है एंड देन एवरीबडी इज राइटिंग वेरी सिमिलर आंसर्स. सो देन हाउ डू यू स्टैंड आउट? In order to stand out, you have to have some academic background, and that is where we have tried to solve this problem. So first and foremost, we have tried to solve this by having somebody who has a deep experience with this exam, and deep experience not just in terms of ki she has an academic background here, but she has also had considerable success with the exam itself. And for the last 8 years, she has been teaching pol science and international relations. And not just that, she's also the polity faculty and international relations faculty that we have at our UPSC Essential course, where she's absolutely loved by all students. So I'd like to welcome Neelam ma'am.
Thank you, sir.
So Neelam ma'am, please give us a little bit about your experience with political science. How has it been?
Yes, sir. So, as you mentioned, it's been 8+ years that I've been teaching. It would be over a decade now. And before that as well, of course, the association starts when I did my bachelor's in political science. Usse pehle, even in my 11th and 12th standard, I had political science. Then I did my master's in political science, my UGC net in political science. So much so to this point that this is a joke in my house that I breathe and need political science now because that's what we talk about all
Absolutely.
day. So yes, sir, that's been my experience. I've seen students doing well. I've seen students getting too involved with the subject, and students who often get confused with the subject as well.
Absolutely. तो मैम इन्हीं चीज़ों के बारे में थोड़ी बात करते हैं, which is we'll talk about the frequently asked questions
Yes.
around pol science. So the first most frequently asked question that I also tend to get is कि who is this optional for? Who should take political science?
Right, right. So this subject is this is not a core science background subject where you need to have some technical understanding.
Okay.
So this is absolutely for anybody, but at the same time you need to be cautious. So what I mean to say is, if you are interested, if you are ready to dedicate 6 to 7 months of your life with utmost sincerity, then this subject is open for anybody. I've seen so many engineers doing well, people from medical background doing well. Of course, students who have been humanities students definitely have a fair understanding of the subject. But having said that, anybody can take this optional. Yes, you have to be patient because you'll have to devote time. And at the same time, you should have some interest in current events and international relations and theories so that you do better.
Absolutely. तो मैम आपने आई थिंक बीच में मेंशन कर ही दिया, बट आई वुड लाइक टू अगेन रीफ्रेम दैट क्वेश्चन कि भी व्हाट इज द मिनिमम अमाउंट ऑफ टाइम रिक्वायर्ड इन ऑर्डर टू डू या कवर द सब्जेक्ट, if I can say that.
Right. So I must clarify this. In 4 months, you can't do it. So if you are signing up for this subject, be ready to dedicate 6 to 7 months.
Yeah.
But at the same time, you don't need an year as well. Somewhere in the middle, you need about 6 to 7 months to complete the core preparation.
Okay.
But then again, you'll have to add value. You'll have to do answer writing practice. But the core preparation can be completed in about 6 to 7 months.
So ma'am, in this core preparation, मतलब what is the importance of mentorship and all पे तो पहले जाते हैं. उससे पहले एक ये चीज़ मैं पूछना चाहूँगा, can you do this without coaching? Because बहुत बार ऐसा there is the impression that I can just read some institute का notes and all and I'll be able to do. So what is your take on this?
So I'll not give an umbrella, yes or no, because yes, of course, people can prepare on their
Definitely.
own. There's definitely a possibility. But at the same time, because this is a subject which requires understanding beyond the superficial understanding,
Yeah.
so picking up coaching's note and then reading them may not be a great idea.
Hmm.
Well, if you are somebody who has read political science before, if it was your subject in your bachelor's, then of course you can skip taking coaching and provided
Absolutely.
कि आपने कॉलेज में पढ़ा था,
हाँ.
because वो भी बच्चे हैं जो कॉलेज में ले तो लेते हैं लेकिन पढ़ते नहीं है.
हाँ.
अगर आपने पढ़ा था, sufficient understanding आपकी है, तो you can do it on your own.
Absolutely.
But if not, some sort of mentorship or some sort of coaching will definitely help you to cover it early. Because बहुत लंबा कोर्स है, तो अगर आप कोई एक कोचिंग ले लेते हैं या कुछ ऐसा मेंटरशिप ले लेते हैं जो आपका टाइम कम कर दे, so that's an advantage, because at the end of the day you have to do your GS papers also.
Yeah.
So
ma'am, I think that is one of the most important things over here, that this is just one part of your entire UPSC preparation, and अंत में you have to keep in mind that you are not trying to become a PSIR expert.
Yes.
You're just trying to clear an exam. So ma'am, in the course of this, what is the benefit of, let's say, having a course and mentorship along the way?
Right. As you mentioned, sir, there are two spectrums. So एक sort of बच्चे ऐसे हैं जो market से notes ले आते हैं, उनको पढ़ लेते हैं, and they think, okay, that's what I need to do, and I'll write the exam now.
Yeah.
As soon as you start to write answers, you realize it's not that easy, because you need to understand the concepts, you need to interlink them, you need to relate them with what is happening around the world. On the other end of the spectrum are people who go too deep into it. So they start loving, because definitely it's an interesting subject.
It is.
So आपको मन करता है कि चलो और पढ़ लेते हैं, कोई और इससे related book भी पढ़ लेते हैं, 5 articles ORF से भी पढ़ लेते हैं. Okay, let me have a conversation around it with my friend also, कि चलो वो ex IS officer हैं, उनको mail लिख देते हैं, and then
politics is like part of everyday life. So
yes, so you start enjoying it. So that means there are two spectrums, but we don't need it. Don't need to be on these spectrums.
Correct.
ना तो वो shallow preparation is going to help you, and जो आप advanced preparation है उसमें फिर आप हम बन सकते हैं, लेकिन आपको हम नहीं बनना है. You don't need to be a teacher. You have to clear the exam.
Exactly.
So आपको दोनों ही extreme पर नहीं जाना है. आपको वो एक perfect sweet spot ढूंढना है, golden mean ढूंढना है, and that's where a mentor can help you. That's where the teacher can help you, because this is the boundary that you have to be in.
Absolutely, ma'am. And I think I completely agree with you over here. कि too deep you go into the subject, and ठीक है, मतलब मे बी शायद आप बहुत चीजें कोट कर पाओगे, मे बी यू विल हैव एग्जांपल्स एंड thinkers which nobody else knows, but in the end there are other subjects also, and it has to be balanced. So ma'am, at this point I'll take your leave, and I would want you to explain कि भाई ये जो कोर्स PSIR का हम लॉन्च कर रहे हैं, तो इसमें क्या चीजें हम कवर करेंगे, how are we going to go about it, and I would want you to explain to the viewers कि भाई क्या exactly they can expect out of this course. Right. So the pen for you, ma'am. And
so what we want to do is we want you to make an informed decision. We want that you make an informed decision. Therefore, the idea is to walk you through the features of the course. Abhi dekho, what I feel is the courses that are available in the market, they don't have any timeline. तो बहुत लंबे courses चलते हैं, जिसकी वजह से you are stuck in that cycle of mains and prelims preparation, which we don't want. So the idea is to give you a timetable right on the day we start. So we'll be giving you exact dates on which these topics will be covered, so that you have a fair idea as to what we'll be reading in what time frame. And that way you can also structure your preparations better. And so the course will be conducted for 6 long months. So another thing that we see is the courses that are available in the market, they're either too scholarly, and that's the reason they go on for months together, or the courses are very shallow. So it just looks like that they are distillation of all the material that is available out there, with no integration and no understanding. So what we have tried to do here is to give you that perfect golden mean, where we make sure that we stick to the UPSC syllabus, because see, at the end of the day, we don't want you to become philosophers, or we don't want you to become teachers. We want you to clear this examination. And so while, yes, we will be giving you absolute understanding of political science, but at the same time, we'll be sticking to UPSC standards, and therefore not going on the shallow spectrum or not going to that too scholarly wala spectrum. Now, another important thing here is, now this is a very big problem whereby there are courses available, but those courses do not have test series. And then if they have test series, they don't have mentorship. So you buy a course from somewhere else, you take notes from somewhere else, you take test series from somewhere else, you don't have mentorship, and then you don't just end up spending a lot of money, but also you're very confused because there's no one path that you're following. So what we do here is we have a complete package for you. And by the way, this is what we've been doing in the UPSC Essential course as well. And it has been a huge success, whereby you get everything in the same ecosystem. So not only we have classes, we have regular answer writing sessions, we have test series included. You will have mentors which you can reach out to anytime when you're stuck with your preparation, you're not able to solve a particular question, or you have some generic queries related to your syllabus completion. So what we're doing here is you get everything at one place. And that is what is going to not only save your time, but is also going to accelerate your preparation. अभी एक प्रॉब्लम और होती है कि जो कोर्सेज आप देखते हैं बाहर, दे यूजुअली कम विद अ लॉट ऑफ लिमिट्स अटैच्ड. सो इतनी बार रिकॉर्डिंग्स देख सकते हैं, यहाँ देख सकते हैं. नाउ व्हाट डज इज सी लाइफ हैपेंस. हो सकता है एट सम पॉइंट इन टाइम आपको एक बार में समझ में नहीं आया, या आपको टाइम नहीं मिला, या समथिंग हैपेंड. So we don't have any capping on the number of times you can see the recording. It is yours. Please watch it as many times as you want to. उतनी बार आप देखेंगे नहीं, but I'm just saying. Also, you get the recording access for 3 years. So that way, if at any point you think you need to revisit a particular lecture, you can absolutely do that. And the classes are live. So you get live classes, but you also get the recording access for 3 years. अब हमने बहुत सारा content पढ़ लिया, लेकिन फिर भी हमारे मार्क्स नहीं आ रहे. क्यों नहीं आ रहे? क्योंकि हमने आंसर राइटिंग नहीं करी. सो रीडिंग इज वन थिंग, बट बीइंग एबल टू कन्वर्ट इट इनटू गुड आंसर्स इज अनदर. बिकॉज सी द एग्जामिनर डज नॉट नो आपने कितने घंटे पढ़ाई की थी, कौन सी बुक्स पढ़े थे. नोबडी केयर्स. So what matters is what is the quality of answers that you are writing. Now generally what happens is answer writing is an afterthought. Okay, now I'm done with the course. Now let me buy a test series or let me go and sit and write answers. But उस समय तक बहुत लेट हो जाता है. Why? Because you're already in the prelim cycle. So we solve that problem here. The idea is आप answer writing उसी दिन करिए. So we make sure we make you sit there and then we make you write answers. And then we make sure that we have these master classes which are dedicated to answer writing. So this would be my suggestion to you as well. While you're in the preparation stage, while you're reading your content, make sure that you dedicate some part of your day to answer writing, because that is what is going to translate into marks. So here are some details. The course is starting from 15th of April. And the classes are going to be live. We encourage that you attend live classes, but in case you're not able to do so, I told you the recordings will be available on the same day, and the recordings will be accessible for 3 years without any limit.
So the comprehensive course for PSIR is live on the UPSC Prep portal, courses.upscprep.com, and there is a discount going on at this right now, so you can check that out. 10% discount for the next couple of days. The classes will be starting from the 15th of April. एंड अभी यू विल हैव आल्सो सीन कि भाई जिस तरीके से हम जनरली प्लान वीडियोस लेके आते हैं सो दैट यू कैन डायरेक्ट योर प्रिपरेशन बाय योर ओन pace and by your own understanding. So we've already shared plan videos, but at the same time, this is something that ma'am also said, and I will also like to repeat, कि when it comes to optional subjects, if you don't have a background in that subject, it is generally a good idea to take some advice, take some guidance. क्योंकि if I talk about my experience, I'm an engineer, and engineer होते हुए I chose sociology. तो आई कैन से कि हाँ मुझे सोशियोलॉजी समझ आ गया है, बट जब तक कोई सोशियोलॉजी वाला बंदा या टीचर आके मुझे नहीं बताता कि यार थोड़ा डेप्थ और है, सो देन वो मुझे समझ ही नहीं आएगा अपने आप से. एंड फॉर दैट रीजन वी एडवाइज कि भाई इफ इट इज नॉट योर बैकग्राउंड, डेफिनेटली लुक फॉर गाइडेंस. सो कोर्स इज स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम द 15th of April, and I think a lot of these features ma'am has already covered कि भाई structured course आपका रहेगा, completion, on-demand personalized mentorship जहाँ पे your educator is also going to be your mentor, and expert guidance आपको सारे time मिलती रहेगी. At the same time, exam ready study notes you'll also be getting, and as ma'am already pointed out, answer writing is going to be built into this course because you don't want to be an expert or a scholar at this subject. You want to be somebody who clears the exam.
Right.
And other than that, there'll be some master classes also where ma'am will be taking you through कि भाई how do you write a good answer. क्योंकि एक होता है कि I've studied एंड उससे मुझे चीज अपने आप समझ आ गई, मैंने आंसर लिख दिया. दूसरा होता है समटाइम्स आई नीड द स्टेप्स, लाइक आई यूज्ड टू बी दैट पर्सन, मुझे स्टेप्स अगर बता दो तो देन आई कैन डू वेल. So you'll also have some master classes. We'll also be giving you a monthly magazine, which ma'am also talked about, that there has to be an integration of value addition material. So all of this will be taken care of in this one single course. PYQ strategy sessions, test series is included in this. Not just that, model answers आपको दिए जाएंगे ताकि you don't have to think about कि अच्छा no, I still need something more from somewhere else. The idea is simple: one-stop solution for all of your PSIR needs. backed by UPSC Prep ka promise that we want to simplify your preparation as best we can wherever we can. Right. So as ma'am already pointed out, course will last for 6 months and 3 years of access you will get to not just recordings but also to the mentorship. Right. Now, ma'am, थोड़ा ये बुक्स के बारे में आप बता सकती हैं.
राइट सो बहुत सारी बुक्स हैं जो आपको पढ़नी होंगी एंड इफ यू सीन द प्लान वीडियो I've already mentioned कि कौन सी bare minimum books हैं जो आपको पढ़नी है. Again, I recommend don't proliferate your sources. Stick to high quality sources. अभी problem क्या होता है? There are people who can read these books. They have the luxury of time. They have had a background. But because you're in the course, so what we'll be doing is, rather what we have done is, we have read these books. I have read these books. We have consolidated the value from these books and we have compiled notes so that you don't have to read them. Now, of course, the notes have to be read by you, but that saves your time because together these books are about, say, more than 5,000 pages. But the notes would be somewhere around 1,000 plus pages. So that saves your time and also gives you what is required. Because, well, these books are not written for UPSC, but these notes are crafted for your UPSC examination. So that way, your time will be, that is going to save your time and also a lot of efforts.
Right. So I think more of these books for paper 2 and paper 2 part B. So all of these, matlab, in the end, keep in mind कि the work that is going into this is obviously going to be tremendous, but at the same time, you also have to have somebody who you'll have in Neelam ma'am who can make the concepts easy for you to understand. And these are some of the testimonials that we've received from Neelam ma'am. Well, people reach out to us directly, people send us emails on WhatsApp, on Telegram, and anywhere that we have been. I think ma'am will just give them space to have a look at this. But the idea is simple, that ma'am has been appreciated through and through for the simplicity that she brings to complex concepts. Right, so with that, we'll come to the prices of this course. The prices are two. There is one which is without test series. Both of them will have mentorship included. But this is without test series. Let's say if you've already taken some test series somewhere, we don't want you to be spending extra money. But then if you are just beginning, everything is included in this price, 19,999 and then 24,999, and both of them pay. You can use Paul10 discount code visiting courses.upscprep.com and you get a 10% discount. So this discount is also for a limited period of time. If you're interested in joining this course, if you have any queries, any questions from us, please leave us a comment, or you can also reach out to us on contact@upscprep.com. So with that, I think we'll take your leave. Thank you all for watching and all the best on your UPSC journey.